80% of our branches use a boom for delivering their products. Biggest issue with using the cranes is finding users who are good, or getting them good at using the crane. It takes time, it takes practice, there's safety acumen. We would hire a new driver. We would have them go work with the boom, maybe go to an open parking lot, give them some material that if they were to drop it, wouldn't get necessarily destroyed. And we would have them work with this and a senior operator over and over. There was downtime associated with the traditional methods of having somebody just work on a boom that wasn't being utilized at a job site. Before, it always used to be senior operator or a safety field trainer would come and do the training live. Now we suggest that you get the VR kit early in that person's training. They understand the controller. It makes the other pieces go so much smoother. Every day, at the end of the day, take the senior operator they're working with, have that person go get ready for the next day, take the new person, put them in a conference room or an office with the VR kit, give them half an hour. Guarantee you, if you do this every day for 2 weeks for half an hour, you will see results. And they have.